Hello and good morning and welcome to Your Next Car UK's official YouTube channel. I'm bringing to you this morning something extremely special. We have our BMW M3. So then guys, I'll give you a quick walk around the outside of the vehicle and I'll talk you through some of the tech specs and options which this vehicle has a huge amount of, so I'll get through them as quick as I can. So of course we'll start with the outside of the vehicle. This vehicle does benefit from having the full performance pack fitted to it, which is of course finished off in the genuine carbon fibre, as you can see there. It has a full carbon fibre front splitter. We of course have the beautiful gloss black front kidney grills with the M3 badging. Of course, being the M3, this is the beautiful twin turbo 6-cylinder engine. As you can also see there, we have the carbon fibre strut brace, which is a nice addition. Extremely low mileage vehicle. It is only covered 26,000 miles and is in really great condition. As you can see, it's extremely tidy underneath the engine bay, and the exterior and interior is also in really great condition. So we'll carry on walking around the outside of the car. Moving down to the side, we have them beautiful LA alloys, which are a factory fit M3 wheel. Behind them, beautiful gloss black wheels, which we've also had the silver inserts retouched in there. You're probably not picking them up so well on the camera, but I'll try and show you off them in a little bit more detail. Behind them Sun-In wheels, we have the £7,000 optional extra carbon and ceramic brakes. Now these make a great addition obviously for the performance aspect of the braking. Not only that, but they do also look much nicer due to the colour of the calipers and the size. They are the 19-inch LA spoke alloys. The colour of this vehicle is an individual colour. It is known as metallic grey black. It is an absolute stunning colour combination with all the carbon fibre that is fitted on this particular M3. It of course has the full carbon fibre roof. Inside the car we have the Merino Silverstone cream leather seats, which are of course heated and memory electric as well. They are heated in the front, they are also heated in the rear as well, which I'll show you in a little bit more detail when we hop inside and start the vehicle up in just a moment. In the back we have the privacy glass as well as the roller blinds fitted in the back, as well as the quarter windows too. Really clean inside and out, as I mentioned earlier. It does also benefit from that lovely Harman Kardon surround sound system, which we spoke about in many of the other videos. However, it just finishes off the inside of this vehicle. Moving around to the boot, of course the BMW M3 is the supercar that you can use every day, so it does have a rather large boot, as well as this one does also have the split folding seats. We have that beautiful carbon fibre rear diffuser, as well as the quad exit exhausts. We also have the genuine carbon fibre rear performance spoiler, as you can see there. This vehicle has comfort access pack. It has the reversing camera, which I'll show in a little bit more detail in just a moment. Once again, there's them carbon ceramic calipers and brake discs, and that's stunning Silverstone leather. We also have the full carbon fibre interior pack as well, so the carbon fibre inserts on the dash as well as the centre console. Of course, it has the LED tail lights. It also has the LED adaptive headlamps on the front. Okay, so we'll jump on inside and I'll start the vehicle up and talk you through some of the more options that we do also have fitted. It has the M Sport adaptive suspension. As I mentioned earlier, we do have the heated leather seats. It has the professional media, professional nav pack. There we have all your driver modes, your driver settings for the gearbox, suspension and steering. flat pedals for the gearbox, all your different M modes. It also has the beautiful head-up display, which you can see there, automatic headlights, automatic wipers. It has the high beam assist, and there you can see it has only covered 26,391, so really low mileage. Bluetooth. It also has DAB radio. It has varied multimedia inputs, including that lovely music collection which I have spoke about on other videos. This is the all-round package for any M3, anyone pursuing to get a BMW M3. It has all the options that you would want on any BMW M3. It is fully spec'd. Especially with all the carbon fibre performance pack parts, it really is the full item. Okay then, so we'll get down to the pricing of the vehicle. As I say, it has only covered just over 26,000 miles, and this vehicle is ready to drive away today for just 42,991. It has just been fully serviced at a BMW main dealer that is sitting in Nottingham. It has a full BMW service history, and as I say, it is ready to drive away today. We do have HP and PCP packages to suit if they are required. We have extremely competitive rates on our HP and PCP packages. For any further information, guys, please do give us a call on 0115 822 9431. Just to end the video off, I'll give you a little sound clip of the BMW M3's engine note. Okay, that's going to be it for me, guys. As I say, for any further information, please do give us a call. Cheers now, bye bye.